Do you need to be able to change the armrest on the centre console of your Saab 9.3? Either to repair the covering or maybe fit one of a different colour to match seats that you've changed? Follow me through, let me show you how it's done. If you want to learn how to look after your own car and save some money along the way on garage fees, then don't forget to subscribe. There's a subscribe button in the bottom right of the screen. I've moved outside into the sunshine and I'm going to show you how to do this on my spare console. If this was in the car, first thing you need to do is remove the air conditioning vent. With the thin end of one of your trim removal tools, or you could use a screwdriver, but there is of course a danger of scratching the plastic if you use a screwdriver, push the tool into the gap at the top of your vent. There are 4 clips that hold it into place, 2 here and 2 here. Make sure you hold those 2 out and do the same across the bottom. The vent just lifts out. These are the clips that hold it into position. 2 there, 2 there, the same design. You could use a pick of some sort through the vent, get behind the clip and pull it down. Now with the vent removed, you can see that if I lift the armrest, that it pivots here. Open the lid slightly and with a flat blade screwdriver and then the pivot point should slip out. Do the same on the other side, then simply rotate. If you're wanting to take this apart, perhaps to recover it, you'll need to remove these 4 rivets by drilling them out, and also there's 4 more rivets here, here and under there and under there, hold these rails onto the arm itself, and then you'll have access to it to be able to undo the existing covering and be able to re-wrap it. To put the armrest back in, with the armrest vertical, put the pivot points into the bottom of the slots, rotate the rest back down a little and push the pivot point upwards into its hole on both sides. When you're putting the vent back in, the vent simply slots back down and simply pushes into place, but there's a pipe down there which is the same shape as this end. You need to be quite careful that you push this foam end into that pipe securely and then clip that into place like so. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the other side of that screen again soon.